It's our goal to give everyone a 5-star experience. And when we receive great feedback, it motivates us to do even more. Here's a fantastic review we're happy to share right now. When we hear such great feedback from someone who's experienced impeccable service, we're motivated to pay it forward and continue to exceed our 5-star service goal, one experience at a time. It's that simple. One of the keys to our success is our commitment to satisfaction. We'd love the opportunity to earn a great review from you too. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Thank you for spending a bit of time with us. We hope to see you again soon.